Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix the JW Player error code 232011, the one that says this video file can't be played. This error usually appears when you're trying to play videos online, and it happens because of browser or network issues, outdated drivers, or cached data blocking playback. Let's start with the simplest fix. Open your browser settings and clear cache and cookies. If you're using Chrome, click the three dots on the top right, choose Settings, then Privacy and Security, and click Delete Browsing Data. Select Cached Images and Files and Cookies, then click Delete Data. After that, close your browser completely and reopen it. Now try playing the video again. If the error still shows up, the next step is to disable browser extensions that might block content. In Chrome, go to the three dots menu again, then Extensions, and click on Manage Extensions, and toggle off any ad blockers, VPNs, or video downloaders. These often interfere with JW Player videos. Once you disable them, refresh the page and check if the video plays correctly. If it still doesn't, the issue might be with the browser itself. Try switching to another browser. For example, if you're using Chrome, try Edge or Firefox and see if the video loads fine there. Now let's make sure your browser and video drivers are up to date. Open the Start menu, type Device Manager, and press Enter. Expand the Display Adapters section, right-click your graphics card, and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers and let Windows find any updates. After updating, restart your PC and test the video again. If the problem persists, try resetting your network settings. Press Windows key, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. netshuckwind sock reset, netshuckwind IB reset, ipconfig space /flush DNS. Once all commands are done, restart your computer. This resets your internet configuration and clears any blocked connections. Finally, open your browser again and play the same video. In most cases, the error code 232011 should now be gone and your video will play smoothly. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more simple and clear Windows Fix videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.